Well, this is something that I found interesting this morning. So yesterday I took my motorcycle down to Baker's in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And because I'm getting the 112 kit in a couple weeks, I had to go back to the Indian tune with cams. So I had that done. Rode back to Winston-Salem, just a couple hours, and I noticed it idling kind of funny. So as you can hear, it kind of sounds like it's on one cylinder, and then the engine light starts blinking. So that was interesting. But then what I also noticed is that the illumination for my Pathfinder lights also was illuminated as if the Pathfinder lights are on. I'll get to that in a second. Just gonna walk around the bike a little bit so you can kind of hear the idle. So you can see the engine light flashing. And as you can see, the Pathfinder light button is illuminated, and the lights are not on, as you can see. Don't know what's going on there. So I turned the body light kit on that also lights up my war bonnet on my fender. Next thing, I start getting this crazy thing. I've never seen this. Engine idling, timer will shut down or shut off engine, and then it's a countdown. So that was weird. I've never seen that. Never had any issues with my bike. So this is after I went from the Lloyds tune back to the